Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook number. So, keeping your phone number up to date on Facebook helps you secure your account, recover your password, receive login verification codes, and stay connected. Whether you've switched mobile carriers, changed numbers, or no longer use your old phone, updating your contact information only takes a few minutes. So, to start, open Facebook app and sign into your account. Then click your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and look for Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, then tap Settings. Now at the top, open Account Center. Then tap Profiles and Personal Details at the very top. Now scroll down to the bottom, then select Personal Details. So click Contact Info. Then from here, tap on Then from here at the bottom, click Add Mobile Number. So enter your new phone number at the top. Then click on Next. Then verify the number using the SMS code Facebook sends. So after verification, you can remove your old phone number if you no longer use it. Now, if you want to remove an old phone number, so let's return to contact info. Then from here, select the old phone number. Then from here, tap on delete number and confirm your choice by clicking delete again, and it will be deleted. So keep at least one verified phone number or email address on your account so you don't lose access if you forget your password. And that's it. Thank you for watching.